I want to show you the stucco patch before I do the stucco. So here's one of the patches. It goes around here to the corner. There's that stucco patch. And then also, very important, be putting in caulking here. Before I apply caulking, I will apply wood primer to this piece of wood trim. We're using this coarse trowel, and I'll show you what happens after. Check this out. And there's the after right there. This is the before. Take a close look. It's a mess. And there's the after right there. Not too shabby. I'll see you on the next one.